Aberystwyth Ceredigion. Wow. This is a little bit, I've seen the waves. Oh, yeah, there they are. Splash, you can see the water where it splashed over here. It's only 10 o'clock at night. You could get engulfed. Well, it's all over the promenade, the waves. And it's not even high tide. Oh my goodness, that's all wet too. That is a bad sign. Well, it's all very exciting. The passion of the sea. Look at that foam. The froth of angry sea. Neptune! Whoa! Oh yes. Well, up here there seems to be splashing. Oi! I don't want to get too wet. Oh, oh I say. Well. Oh. There's some pretty good surf waves over there. Look, I thought of bringing my surfboard actually. I was looking at it this morning. I could definitely surf on this. Yeah, but I might head up straight into the brick wall. Yeah, there's that minor detail. This is surf weather. This is surf wave stuff, eh? I didn't think Aberystwyth was surfing. I don't remember, that's why I didn't bring my surfboard. I thought, I didn't see shops with them, but maybe they did. Oh, I say, look at that, way! Whoa! Ah! Shit, I'm wet. Oh, now I'm soaked.